2017 Ford F-150 all the way from Jacksonville, Tennessee, about an hour and a half away from here. He's a fan of the YouTube channel and he brought his truck down. He had it done somewhere else in Jacksonville. He says, I looked all over, nobody has this setup. So he's like, I'm gonna bring it to Exhaust Addicts, maybe they can do a video. And for him being a fan, I said, I'll do a video. I usually don't record other people's work, but it's okay. So let me show you what was done to it. So it's got the factory converter there, and then it's been cut right at the Y and true dual with 2.5-inch pipe. But he did it a little bit different than how we usually do it. Anytime you put an X pipe, you don't want to put it all the way back here. It really needs to be right there. The closer to the motor, the better for exhaust scavenge and better high-end torque, okay? Whoever did the exhaust to put it back here was a mistake, but it does give it a distinctive sound. So we're gonna let you guys hear it. That's why I said, might as well do a video. And then he's gonna, what are you gonna bring?
SPD trombone loop pipe.
SPD trombone loop pipes. They go on the Mustangs. So we're gonna take that X pipe and put it where it's supposed to be, over here. And then bring his loop pipes and put them back here, okay? So it'll be an updated video in the future for it. And then you got 2.5. Another set of pipes. Yeah, we just did that. And then 2.5-inch pipe out the back on each side. And he did the Raptor look, which is on each side out the back. The work is really clean. It's really nice. Whoever did it did a really nice job on it. Looks like it's been doing it for a while. So there it is right there. I like that. It's a clean look right there. And right there, as you guys can see. So it came out nice. So I said, might as well make you guys a video. Hope you guys like it. Let us know what you think in the comments. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. As you guys can see, there's not another one like it that sounds like this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about the sound. Here's the sound decibels. 115, bro. That's not bad at all. It's definitely a different tone. I like it when it's closer up. It makes it clap more. No?
All the time where I'm from.
Yeah, oh, so you're sick of the clap.
True duals, no catch, no signal.
Yeah.
I wanted to be different.
Yeah, I don't blame you. It's a lot quieter on idle, too.
It sounds good, right?
Yeah. Good looking truck. A different tone. Ain't not a tone at all, though. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. F-150 true dual, 2.5 all the way back with the X pipe instead of a muffler. You can tell he has fun with it. He goes button. Not bad for a 5.0. Yeah, he's gonna make drive-offs. Not bad at all. Alrighty then.